As the compact crossover market continues to morph, the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc stands out as an elegant and daring example of how functionality, style, and technology can come together in perfect harmony. Since its launch, the T-Roc has distinguished itself in the car industry by providing an execution that is uniquely European, with a mix of dynamic performance, youthful appearance, and efficient versatility. Based on that, the 2026 model year improves upon it in almost every way to meet the rising standards of contemporary drivers without sacrificing the unique qualities that made the T-Roc special. Upon first look, the 2026 T-Roc displays a style that radiates self-assurance without going overboard. The front fascia has an air of maturity and athleticism thanks to the reworked LED matrix headlights, a more sculpted grille, and sharper hood creases. For this model year, Volkswagen went for a more understated look while still giving it more visual energy. The dimensions are just right for navigating narrow city streets while still being large enough to make a statement on highways. Looking at it from the side, the rising beltline and strong character lines direct the attention to the back, where the athletic aim is further expressed by a new taillight signature and an integrated spoiler. A more aggressive stance, inspired by performance, is now available with wheel options that go up to 20 inches. When it comes to the quality of materials and the overall user experience within the cabin, the T-Roc is light years ahead of the competition. Volkswagen continues to reduce its environmental effect, and sustainable trim options like eco-leather and recycled materials reflect this. Soft touch surfaces predominate on the dashboard. An attractively positioned 12.9-inch touchscreen display sits atop the dashboard, and the driver-oriented cabin boasts a digital instrument cluster that has been recently created and is both clear and extremely adjustable. Thanks to the use of Volkswagen's newest MIB4 architecture, the infotainment system can receive updates wirelessly, has better visuals, and responds faster. As standard equipment, you'll get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as an updated climate control interface with haptic feedback for easier use. Ergonomic improvements and enhanced comfort for long-distance riding have informed the redesign of the seats. Smarter interior packing has resulted in more legroom for passengers in the back seats, and massage features are now available for the front seats as well. A versatile baggage compartment that can be expanded via split-folding rear seats is one of the T-Roc's strong points when it comes to cargo space. With its slightly wider panoramic sunroof, the interior is illuminated by natural light and seems even more expansive than before. The 2026 T-Roc's powertrain options are designed to accommodate a wide range of driving preferences while also reflecting the industry's trend toward electrification. An upgraded 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with modest hybrid assistance powers the base models. It is an engine developed by Volkswagen. This powertrain strikes a nice mix of practicality and efficiency, making it ideal for everyday use. The 2.0-liter TSI engine is still available for individuals seeking more dynamic performance. It produces over 190 horsepower and is paired with Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system, which has been fine-tuned to improve traction and stability when cornering. A plug-in hybrid version with a 1.5-liter engine, electric motor, and 13.0 kWh battery pack will be available for the first time in 2026. In this configuration, the electric-only range can reach up to 60 kilometers, which is perfect for city commuters looking to cut fuel use without worrying about running out of juice. A clever energy management system automatically adjusts power output depending on driving patterns, allowing for a smooth transition between electric and hybrid modes. Improved regenerative braking allows drivers to quietly and efficiently expand their range by recapturing more energy during deceleration. A completely electric T-Roc variant is also in the works, according to Volkswagen, and should make its debut in late 2026 or early 2027. This is a sign of the brand's commitment to keeping the T-Roc relevant in a future without emissions, even though it isn't already available in this model year. For the time being, The plug-in hybrid electric vehicle PHEV model combines the advantages of both fully electric vehicles and those powered by internal combustion engines. The T-Roc maintains its status as an industry leader in ride and handling. Rest assured that you will enjoy a controlled and assured ride on both winding country roads and crowded metropolitan boulevards thanks to the chassis fine-tuning, which is based on Volkswagen's proven MQB platform. For 2026, we improved the steering feel to give you greater feedback without making parking maneuvers any more difficult. A sense of connectivity to the driving experience is maintained while the suspension gracefully absorbs road irregularities, striking a wonderful mix between responsiveness and comfort. Adaptive dampers are available on higher trim levels and enable the suspension to dynamically alter in response to road conditions and driving styles. The 2026 T-Roc boasts Volkswagen's most recent IQ Drive suite of driver assistance technologies, further demonstrating the brand's commitment to safety. Lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert are all part of the standard equipment. A 360-degree surround view camera, automatic parking assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, and other optional devices make driving urban and suburban areas more convenient and reassuring. The T-Roc received excellent scores in safety evaluations conducted in Europe and throughout the world because its structure has been fortified with modern materials and improved through design to provide better protection in the event of a collision. The 2026 T-Roc stands apart from the competition when it comes to personalization. Volkswagen now gives customers more freedom to express themselves than ever before with a wider array of exterior color options and two-tone roof choices. Subtle pastels and vivid accents are now part of the interior color palette, and they can be combined and matched throughout trims. The upgraded ambient lighting systems allow for even greater color customization and forms of personalization, allowing for an even more personalized in-cabin feel. Shiny black accents, distinctive bumpers, and different alloy wheel designs are some of the sportier visual cues that R-line models still offer. The 2026 concept prioritizes connectivity and smart integration. With Volkswagen's CarNet platform, you can lock and unlock your car from the convenience of your smartphone. You can also get health checks and even precondition the climate system. The requirement for service visits is reduced because the T-Roc can keep current with new features and upgrades thanks to over-the-air software updates. You can now control more things with your voice thanks to voice control's enhanced ability to recognize natural language instructions. This includes adjusting the temperature, playing music, and navigating. Also, it's compatible with smart home gadgets, so drivers may manage their house's features from the car's interface. Volkswagen is putting more resources into customer assistance and digital services to improve the ownership experience. In most regions, the 2026 T-Roc is accompanied by a service package and extended warranty that takes care of routine maintenance for the initial few years.
Thanks for watching.